Hey guys, we're back with another video, and thank you guys for 776 views on I Have a Horrible Cough, guys. It's just amazing. Now I'm on my tablet, by the way, but still, it's amazing. I can't believe it. Thank you guys so much. I just can't believe it. And you're the best. I just love you guys so much. I'll never quit YouTube until I would have probably 42 million. Yeah, 42 million. Yeah, like 42 million. Well, I might hit that, but still, guys, it's amazing that we hit 776 views. I might be wrong because we might got more, but you might be right. Burn, 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 burn. And watch, guys. Look at this. This is my phone. Not showing my password. Even though you won't know. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to press mail. Okay, guys? No, I won't. Okay. What? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Unbelievable. And you can see my tablet right there. Well, guys, I just, yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm on setting right now. Steady. Did I just get? You go, destroy it. I'll do that in a second. Well, anyways, guys, thank you. Unbelievable. Okay, guys, I'm just made it to 3 minutes. I can make it to 4 minutes. It's at 4 minutes. Right now it's at. Well, guys, bye. I'm back, guys. Well, anyways, thank you for 776 views on I Have a Horrible Cough. It's just unbelievable. Well, thank you so much. Well, anyway, guys, thank you, guys, and as always, stay at Mars. Bye, guys.